Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. And so I'm here to show you guys these awesome cars. AliExpress, y'all. These things are very similar to the Turbo Racing 176 scale cars. Fully proportional steering and throttle, and charge up by USB Type-C. But there's a big difference between these cars and the Turbo Racing cars. Two big differences: size and the price. So these things are quite large compared to the Turbo Racing. These are 1/43 scale, so check it out. And believe it or not, these things are only 25 bucks. Yes, you heard correctly. These things are 25 bucks. And I found them and I was wondering if they were of quality. And I'm happy to say that these things are of quality. They feel pretty light though, but they do perform really nicely. They're durable. I've crashed these things, dropped them all over the place, and they still work as good as new. And so it comes in these 4 flavors right here. Let me move the Turbo Racing out of the way. The Turbo Racing might be one step up in quality, I would say, because you have Turbo Racing drift cars that have gyros in them now, and these things don't have gyros. And the Turbo Racing RC cars also have chassis lights. These don't have chassis lights, but they do, however, have headlights and brake lights, rear lights, and they do have brakes. And so what I mean by that, when you have the lights on and you're driving forward and then you stop, it'll activate the brakes. When you hit the reverse when you're driving forward, it doesn't just start going backwards. So it brakes and then the lights get brighter, indicating that you are activating the brakes. So these cars are really nice. I really like them. They come with 2 sets of tires. They come with drift tires and they come with rubber tires. And the drift tires are installed at purchase when you receive them. And I just think I really like the rubber tires a little better. Really nice that they give you 2 options of driving these things around for different surfaces. I'm really fond of the rubber tires. These things are really fast. They have various speeds in between them. They're all fast, but they have different characteristics. Like this Porsche here has larger wheels than the others. Check it out. So slightly larger wheels than the others. So different driving characteristics, different speeds and all. You would think that the Porsche would be faster with the larger wheels, but this one seems to be faster. Might be the fastest. This little Hoon replica here is the lowest to the ground, has the wide body look, and it actually performs like it does. Sticks to the ground a little better and all. It's less likely to flip over than the others. Just a really awesome little collection of cars. I really love these things. This one was the last one that I got. And it's kind of weird on AliExpress though. I originally found it for $23 and then I went back again and I found one for 20 bucks. So this was the first one that I got. And then I found these 2 for 20 bucks. This one and this one here, the BMW. And the Skyline was the last that I got. But the Skyline, for some reason, they just raised the prices. Same seller and all, they just switched the prices up. I mean, I literally went out and came back another day and it was a whole different price on it. One of my friends told me he backed out and went back in and the price was changed that quick. But nevertheless, these things are really awesome. It comes with a pretty nice transmitter. The transmitter takes 4 AAA batteries on the bottom there. You can remove the screw and still have the ability to close the battery and have it lock. It does have different speeds. Even the lower speed is fast though, to me. And so it has 3 speeds. You adjust the speeds by hitting these buttons here. It starts off on high speed, which makes this light right here turn red up there. Well, I don't have any batteries in there right now, but it starts off with this little LED here being red. And when you press back one time, it turns yellow. And then you press back again, it turns green. That's the lowest. And of course, yellow is the mid speed there. These are the hazard lights. So you hit this and the lights will flash. And this is to turn the headlights off and on. And so pretty nice. Oh, it also has trim adjustment. So this is left trim, right trim. When the car is not steering, when the car is like not going straight, you can adjust the trims with that. You guys probably saw in the other video that I FPV'd this one here. I didn't FPV the others yet. But if you want to learn how I FPV'd it, I'll have the link in the description so you guys can see me messing with this guy. Can't say enough about how much I really love these cars. Pretty awesome to drive on the floor, because my turbo racing cars, I don't drive those on the floor. I had to build tracks because dust tends to get up in them and they're so small to take apart. And these things are a little bit easier on the eyes, and I have taken these things apart. You can mess with the mesh and all. Really easy to work on. I haven't seen the battery in there, but I know it's a lithium ion battery and not a LiPo. And so I guess you probably can get faster speeds out of it by swapping those lithium ions out for LiPos. But these things are fast enough. Believe me, these things don't need to be faster. This one tends to flip over a little more than the others. But pretty awesome little cars. Just wanted to let you guys know that in this quick review. And they're pretty cheap. I'll have links in the description so you guys can check it out. Don't forget to smash the like button on the way out. Thanks for watching.